Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to November 2022 Stamp Club Reveal, our Scripture Club Reveal. If you didn't know, we have two clubs. We have our original club that ships on the first of the month, and then our Scripture Club that ships in the middle of the month. And you can be a part of them. The information to join is in the description below. They're very affordable. They're super fun. We do a mystery reveal. This is the reveal for the club today, but it's a mystery set and it's a never before release set. So it's a brand new set every month. So without further ado, here we go. You ready for this one? So pretty. This one is called Good News. How pretty is this? I just love it. Angels always bring good news, right? Look at these gorgeous angels. I think Sylvia outdid herself designing these. I think they're just beautiful. Look at this gorgeous angel here with this ribbon or this banner that she's holding here. This one, how this one is kind of flying or singing or whatever she may be doing. And then this one who is worshiping or praying. I just think it's gorgeous. Something I want to show you here is our sentiments. Do you notice how they're all curved? Well, as you can guess, they're curved because they'll fit into her banner. But even better, and we think this is so pretty, the curve of them fits perfectly at the feet of this angel. So like if you stamp her and you want to stamp fear not underneath her, it'll fit just there. If I'm not mistaken, and I think this is right too, I want to say that Sylvia told me you can also take this one and put it inside her dress. Not just that one, but the ones that curve, you can put it inside her dress and it'll fit in there as well. Let's look at the sentiment. So for our curvy words, we have Merry Christmas, fear not, love, blessings, rejoice, believe, peace, and joy. And then for our scripture sentiments, we have these two. Behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy. And then, for he shall give his angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways. Isn't it beautiful? You get this little dove, which I just think is so pretty and matches with the wings. Then stars, and also stars that aren't quite stars. You know what I'm saying? They're kind of like the, these are 8-point little stars. So you could do some kind of blingy looks around the angels. I did something a little different. There's another dove, by the way, both directions. I did something a little different with our reveal. I could just see these angels being done on vellum. I just think they're beautiful there. Let me show you. So I just thought these angels stamped on vellum and heat embossed were gorgeous. I have filmed my process for 3 cards that I'm going to show you right now so you can see how I did this. And what I did was I took the vellum angels and I made them look different. I did them in 3 different styles, basically. So let me show you the first one I did. So this angel, do you see how soft that little angel is? And again, I have a video for you where I filmed my whole process. Tamitha will get that edited and put up for you sometime in the next few days. But this, I just think is so beautiful. Doing the angels on the vellum and having them just look like they're floating. They're so beautiful. And then, of course, with the scripture underneath. So I have that one for you. And then I have another one. I tried to do them very different looking, okay, and with different techniques. Look at this one. This little angel is gorgeous, and I did some coloring behind the vellum and then some ink dragging on an embossed panel for this one. And then my last one, which I still don't believe is my favorite and I thought would be, is this one with the navy. I think it's beautiful. The colorway is beautiful. And I'll tell you a little secret. In the video, I make a major mistake down here, major mistake. So you see me cover that up and try to make it all blend together. And it's okay. It's fine. There's some things I would do different with this card. One is I wouldn't add as much bling. I was trying to do that because I wanted it to feel like a super starry sky. But I think I just went kind of overboard. But then again, the whole time I was doing it, you guys will laugh. My mother loved bling, glitter, bling, all of it. And the whole time I was doing it, I could just hear Mom going, one more, put another one, do another one. And so maybe it's that way because it should be that way. I don't know. I just, in my head was like, one more. So I enjoyed that one very, very much. But I do think out of all of them, maybe this is my favorite. It's different for me. And I really, really enjoyed the whole process. So again, there's a video we're going to upload for you guys to be able to see. And it'll be sometime this week. I don't know exactly when. I'm going to let Tamitha decide that because it is Thanksgiving week, so I'm gonna let her decide when that goes up. But I hope you enjoy watching the process, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with these angels. I know, as always, you're gonna do 10 times better than I do. You always do. So every month we do a giveaway with our set. So if you do a project with this and you upload a picture of the project to our customer gallery, you are entered to win a $50 gift card. And so there'll be a winner for that listed in the first line of the description below. So just click the more or the show more button on whatever you're watching us on, and you'll be able to see if you were the winner. You'll also be emailed. We'll let you know by email if you were winning, if you did win. So there you go, guys. This is our November set, and I just think it's beautiful. And honestly, honestly, I think if somebody took this and did traditional Christmas with it, it would be just as gorgeous. I'd love to see what you guys do with that one. So thanks so much for being a part of our club. We so appreciate you. And until next time, bye now.